Honey has been used as food and medicine for ages, but did you know that this sweet nectar from the bees can have an eternal shelf life if stored in an airtight container? Here are some facts and hacks to get you acquainted with the magical ingredient. Mix some honey with a few drops of milk and use this mixture as an all-natural cleanser suitable for dry skin. The enzymes present in honey enable it to seep into the skin, conditioning and moisturizing it, while the antibacterial properties unclog pores and get rid of dry skin cells and blackheads. Since honey is naturally antiseptic, it helps soothe and heal inflammation and acne. Mix 1 tablespoon of neem oil with a tablespoon of honey and dab it onto your acne. The antibacterial properties can kill pimple-causing bacteria, while the gentle bleaching properties in honey will reduce scars and pigmentation. We're all aware of the beauty benefits of honey, but did you know that it was also a staple in Cleopatra's daily beauty ritual? Mix a few tablespoons of honey with the juice of a lemon and apply it evenly on your skin before massaging in circular motions. Abundant in antioxidants, honey prevents skin damage and slows aging while moisturizing your skin from within. Combine 1 tablespoon of brown sugar with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Gently massage your lips with this scrub to say goodbye to dry and chapped lips. The honey attracts water into your skin, keeping it healthy and moisturized. Honey has natural bleaching properties that clear pigmentation and scars, leaving you with smooth, even skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of sugar with 1 tablespoon of honey and squeeze in a bit of lemon juice. Use this scrub to get rid of the darkness on your elbows and knees while also hydrating your skin. If you thought honey couldn't have any more benefits, then think again. Honey can also help you get rid of that belly fat that you've been fighting. Simply add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of honey to a glass of warm water. The essential vitamins and minerals in honey aid weight loss, while apple cider vinegar keeps you fuller for longer. We hope these tips make you add honey into your DIY skin and healthcare arsenal. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.